mostly a bot fight. I've got 1, 2 players on my side, besides me. And I find it interesting how this turned out. Not at all the way I thought it would turn out. Still not good for me, but
Battle
it's good.
starts.
So now you have to remember it's early in the morning on Sunday here where I'm at. So tier 5, you're not going to see a lot of people playing yet.
Enemy force detected.
Everywhere I look, it's bots, bots, bots. Some bots are just terrible. Some bots are just way too good. Some bots' armor levels are just insane.
Smoke generator started.
Okay, got cruisers coming up, so I better cover my ass.
Torpedoes astern.
There's those torpedoes from the Jaeger. Ooh, missed. Come on, come on. Got him.
Smoke screen set.
Enemy destroyer sunk.
First kill for my team. Oh, and those torpedoes were wasted. Oh well, had to give it a try.
Engine boost activated.
And of course, the other cruiser on my side is suicide.
The team has taken the lead.
Yep.
The enemy is about to win.
Good thing his guns can't hit anything.
Torpedoes to port.
Okay, I got one hit on him.
The enemy is about to win.
Make a judgment call here. 'Cause you don't know if he's gonna turn or not. His guns are good if he can actually aim it properly. But since he's a bot, he won't. Disengage. 1, 2, got him.
Enemy cruiser foundered.
And I'm all alone on my flank. All the rest of my team has been killed. And I am seriously outgunned. So what do? Charge in. It's the only option I have. Running away is not going to help.
Our team depends upon you.
And That is a horrifying thought. But that's the nature of the game at this level.
Engine boost deactivated.
So I got 2 destroyers way down on the bottom. No telling where they're at now. And a cruiser coming up. And I'm not up to date on that cruiser. I've been playing this game a while and I still don't know the ships. Better turn away. Don't want to get detected yet. Since he's heading to cover. And his guns are pointing the wrong way. See if I can get a couple licks on him.
Torpedoes, direct front.
Whoa, here we go.
Torpedoes to starboard.
That was lucky. And I'm still detected. Means somebody's in front of me. Wiggle waggle a little bit. Oh, here we go. Can I get a lick in on him? Get him, get him, get him, get him. And of course I miss.
Ship is on fire.
Oh, come on. Ooh, 3 on 1. I'm in trouble. I'm in
Torpedoes to
big
port.
trouble.
Smoke
Come on,
generator
boy, pop that
started.
smoke.
Problem solved, sir.
And I don't stay in it. That's where my mistake was. I should have took him one-on-one. No, I have to charge in. Got him. That's 3.
Enemy destroyer blown up.
Now if I would have turned right for a minute and break contact, then come back in.
Smoke screen set. Engine boost activated.
And you're missing, boy. Got him though. Can't
Enemy
believe
destroyer
it.
foundered.
And here's where my problem starts. Where I really start making big mistakes. I really should have broke contact there. And I still get him. Kraken unleashed. Just a flesh wound. But I still lose. That was an interesting fight. 5 kills. That's alright. Just a flesh wound. Destroy an enemy ship after your ship has been destroyed. And destroy 5 or more enemy ships. Yep, not bad. Still lost, but... And I did better than almost 2/3 of their crew, their team. They're all bots, but... My teammates, nothing. And nothing. The actual real humans didn't do anything. And the Minikasia that probably killed me at the last is, he got a Kraken also. I did some damage, but I paid for it. Alright, that's it. See ya.